before I explain what ungayenza malini on triple M, let me explain what the 3M stand for. The first M on my left side is Mavrodi. Mavrodi is the surname of the founder of this project. He's a Russian guy called Sergei Mavrodi. The M in the middle, Mondial, it's actually a French term which means globally. This is not only in Braamfontein or Cape Town only or Botswana. It's around the world. It's global. So it's not a small thing, it's not a new thing that started yesterday. The last M, movement. If you want something that you don't have, you don't sit down and fold hands and expect it to happen. You need to move, you need to do something. But so puma and move out. Upume financial slavery, we have financial freedom. Yourself, you have to take a decision and make a step. Nobody else. Now, what is actually the triple M? What is it? It's a community of financial aid. It's a donation exchange program. What do I mean by donation exchange program? Si donetelana imali singumdeni si community singamazo throughout. Not through the bank when you join, not central, but the peer-to-peer system. Meaning when you join, you donate money to somebody. That somebody when needs money, you press the system, somebody joining, donate money to you. Person to person, peer-to-peer. In short, it's stokfela. If I can put it into stokfela, go find a good right frame of mind. Oh, it's stokfela kanje sidla kanjani? Usually, the stokfela that we know, maybe 4 or 5 members contribute certain amount every month until unyaga, then we buy or we share. That's the normal stokfela that we know. But this stokfela, imali or ikupayo, you're not paying each and every month. It's a once-off. When you need it, it's 30% every month growth. How and when? So we cover I say she would now keep 1,000, so donate 1,000 every month. No, once off is oxalel. So I ungena program. Uzabeti imali yako ingena ku an account. So kumele uyifakela pia. So kumele uyifakela pia. It's dangerous. Why? One day I'm the owner decide to imali yami ngisayilinda ibe 500 million. Isa short kancane until nalokho liyayifaka. One day sifikile wenzani uyavala uyahamba nemali. But if you look at this program, that's why it's still going strong. Imali sidonetela from one person to the other. Yabona la isasenja angifuni, angithi sa try. Maybe izongidla. Kukhona abanye abathi ngifuna endala mina esinjani tried and trusted. Kukhona abathi ngifuna isaqala ukuze ngikhule nayo. Thina ke sakutshela history. Iqale ngo-2011 eMoscow eRussia. Ngobani? Ngosergei Mavrodi. Why eqalile? This gentleman said, I want to create a new financial order. This is a bold statement. New financial order, which means there is no financial order. Why in Shokanjal? Look at even our banks today. When the bank the bank is an empty building, if I decide in Japan, and we are a book, top selling novels in the world. They were turned into screenplays. Such that was a movie today. You watch some of the movies, they're from his book. And then you know what these guys do? They get the royalties if the movie is being played. Because a movie adlaliwe from his book across South Africa mangaki. You must get someone who planela imali zakho. Ukuthi udle malini udle njani. Kumele ukhathe abanye abantu bezokufundisa ukudla imali wona usiyenzile. Kodwa la uqala babengekho. So now usenawo abantu abasebemfundisa ukuthi hayi ungadli kakhulu. Thenga iFerrari le Porsche only and then invest the other. Mina ngijoyina babe over 160 million people have registered on that software to be part and parcel of this program. So ngikhuluma 8 months ago, I don't know now how many people. Imagine ukuthi abantu abajoyinayo every day bangaki. It's easy, I need to join a software. The software is easy to count. Ubani join nini, ubani ngene ngemalini, ubani drawile. It's easy to check that. Singa emoji. Ndokuza munyu mama emoji gives to that. Yazi imali yakho nabathi la ujoyina, ufaka kwabanye abantu ongabazi. Nangithi But this is $50. It means our members won't angenile omunye lomunye leslice sakhe. So kuya ngokuthi ungene ngamali. Ibeke kanjani? Angithi ungena imali uyasikhethe? Very good. Please, very important, use your spare money. Why spare money? Because spare money, you are not going to need it tomorrow. You can keep it longer so that you get more than 30%. Ungangeni ngemali yerent. Angithi rent inyanga iyaphela after 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Uzobususifone ukuthi isho ukuthi manje ayikabi right ngoba umasitanda. Please, I believe. Ungangeni ngemali ka rent, ungangeni ngemali yesikolo, ungangeni ngemali emergent. Help yourself. Liyayizwa? Get help, la draw. La ungena, provide help. If you look at system is okubonisa, you providing help or you getting help. If I'm getting help, sikubona imali yakho available. Angisongena kudala. Sikubona usizele emalini, singayithatha yonke kumbe ungathatha ihalf kumbe ungathatha ikota. Uphume if you want to. Yonke imali ozongena any amount from 100 rand up to 100,000. If it's your spare money, please ngena ngayo. Thina kasikunume. If your spare money is 100,000, please. Izothola malini 30%. If you fak 500, uzothola malini 30%. So 30% of whatever amount. If you look at this, ama countries njengabo Indonesia, Bangladesh, Thailand and India, but it's a producer. So kunama billionaires that were produced by Triple M for over 4 years. And I can agree with this statement. 25 years time, billion, I can agree with that. Now we get some who's born 1 million in the account, you would never zero bangak. We born a way up. Used to take this day's land draw with a line and cool. If you can draw and touch this slip, I go and draw 20,000. The balance city 410,000. I leave the slip there. So now the 50,000, only 1% of 50,000 going in to account each and every time. If you ask me, 20 days, you're not going to get 30%. So only 20%, and it is 20 days. Yes. Should no man if I get 3 days, 30% in Amtola. 3% in 3 days. So the longer you keep it is the more. But now, why Tuesday and Thursday? You're cooler every single day. Mara Ibo Nisa screen Tuesday and Thursdays. Let me put an example. If your logger in is a Thursday, you want to log in, we told you to eat 10,500. It's a Thursday. If you log on Friday, or Saturday, or Sunday, or Monday, this will be looking city 10,500. Also follow to Mr. Ngube and it what in a panel 1% a day. Why am I looking me? I man internal is growing, but the outside is gonna show on Tuesday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, including the Tuesday interest. This is a bonus agenda. Right. The example in Ipete Lapaban Bagit. In terms of any amount from 100 rand up to 100,000. For example, if we are looking, decide to get now 100 rand, so register. As long as you email your details and then you are going to get 30% of 100 rand. Meaning after 30 days, we will 30 rand extra. We will 130. This is an example of 100 rand. Let me use another example. If you decide where now, get 1,000, growing at the same rate, like after 30 days, we will 300 extra. So 1,300. That's first month. Let's talk about 10,000 again. If we get 10,000, growing at this rate, like figure, after 12 months, you got 3,000 extra, now you got 13,000. Can you follow that example? Yes. Now it's up to you. If they got 13, do you want to draw all the 13 and go? Or you want to draw the 3,000 and eat it and leave the 10? Or you want to draw 10 and leave the 3? Or whatever. You can divide and multiply, it's your money. And as long as after 1 month, you are allowed to draw money out. This is why I like this program. I'm fully good in the program. For 10,000 you are not allowed to draw until after 12 months or so. Madam Auloga in it how 267,000. Madam Auna the 10 rand a time. I only imali. create a dream after dream, draw anytime. Angithi? Abanye ke benza so. Abaningi sengibabonile imali yabo once it grow up to like 40 something thousand. They stop now ukuthi iye phambili. Sebedla abantwana each and every month because 40 something thousand uyakwazi ukunikeza 10,000 every month as an interest. So if you're working or you're not working, after 30 days you draw the same date yakho ngeta ama 30 ama 1% azabe sebuyela u30. Sikunikezile that 10,000 you draw it will leave 41,042. Next time futhi you keep on drawing interest every month. Usune salary wena uhlele ekhaya. Uyalala uvutho ngokuphelile. Awusasethi alarm uthi ngisagijimele green side. No, uyalala usidlalele 10,000 or uyasebenza extra kithi. So the extra 10,000 plus lo mkholo wakho wena vele ukhole emsebenzini. Can you see what the life goes on? So change. The thinking is different. The eating is different. Our friends are different. The question is so different. Now Suleiman and I was a question. Excuse me. That's it. The last meal of now join now. First time, so register. You get a free bonus. What are you registration bonus? Now I'll tell you, Guti, how do you get this bonus and how do you miss this bonus? Because not everybody register will get it. If we are joining a first balisa, ungena ngemali ngaphansi kwe 1,000. Angithi ukuvumelekile? Yes, so I told you 30% growing or 500, 700, 200. But you are not going to get a free bonus. But now joining ngemali qala ku 1,000, 2,000, 4,000 up to 6,000 uzoyithola i-bonus for free. $20. $20 imali is 300 and something namarand in South Africa. We told it for free. If you don't withdraw 3,000 couple, we have a system. Now you iyakuzalela ngo 30% every month. Umnyaka la usiyaphela iyabifikile kuma 5,000 couple. We told it for free. Thank you. If we ngena ka wena uthi I don't want to start small. I've seen the opportunity. I want to go big. Ungena ungene 7,000, 8,000, 10,000 up to 15,000. Uzothola $50, which is like 900 rand for free. In 900, 1,000 ikunikeza 23,000 if you did not draw. So 900 can give you maybe around 20,000. Uyithole for free. La uloga in yakubonisa ukuthi 6,000 yakho seyikhule emalini, le 900 yakho le uyithola ibonus now seyimalini. Maybe ngiyadraw le bonus. We have 900, la isifikile isikuma 4,000, 6,000, you can draw it. Usidlele yona. Emsebenzini ngakakholi nje bekubone ulifonela ama pizza lama extra cheese. Online. Une course ethatha 10 days is for free. Ne computer yakho une Skype sakho, uyangena lapho ya register la bekhipha batch number 34, whatever you want to be a manager, we are register as long ulani une Skype. So that you can communicate. Remember, this thing is all over, globally. So like ivela itisela abantu abangu 250 bayasubmit, abanye base Botswana, abanye base Kenya, abanye base Malawi, abanye base Transkei. Angithi when the number gets to 250 bayastop and they start to train people. Ukuthi how do you attach, usebenza kanjani, triple M la umuntu oyidownline ku 3rd level elenkinga la sleep umncedisa kanjani, konke all those things. Because la usupasile wena. Let's say the manager. If I'm a manager now, same passive. Introduce sis of let's say the guy on my level 7 is struggling maybe to attach proof of payment. The person also fonela him. Angithi laba abanye akusoma manager. Uzofonela mina buze mina ukuthi let's sleep lana ngicela uku attach, how do I do it? Senginceda mina telefonica. Ifoni yami ikhona ku system ukuthi manager yakho ngubani uyozokuncedisa. That's why isebenza ukubhadala wena for the people abafakwa nguwe labantu abafakwa izizukulwane going down at a different percentage. This time isimnandi usisi ngikhole 20 rand kuya ngithi yena wathola 10,000 kumngani wakhe, mina lami sengikhola kumngani wakhe sengikhola 5,000 lapha yena ukhola 10,000 khona ngoba senginjani sengiyiguide la ifaka umunye ngale ukhola malini 3%, la kunomuntu ongena ngo 70,000 ngale ukhola 3% of 70,000. Ngiyamazi lo muntu mari bank account yami yamazi ngoba i3% yaphakathi. So smart, la ibona smart kanjani. So you don't have to sit down and calculate. The companies will calculate a percent light. So now about 15,000 underway. Last time percent level 1, level 2, level 10,000 la 6,000 kule level 2,000 kule level 500 9,000 in total it 47,000 ese teamini ngoba usuyini suyiguide maybe wona ngene nge 1,000 lapha 2 months le 40,000 oyithole ku team mari 1,000 yakho ayikafikela ku 3,000 la ibona indaba so more money is on this section zama ukuthi ube nguguide udla imali ngithe ngiqala ngathi uya global if umbuzo uthina manje la sidonethela namarandi eSouth Africa umuntu ose Australia umuntu ose Czechoslovakia Republic ngidonethela kanjani amarandi eSouth Africa ngoba mhlambe kabawafuni kabawathanda ngithi if that happens now sile mali esibiza sithi iBitcoin ukhona umuntu omusha ku crowd okwazwa ngeBitcoin or somebody who knows what a Bitcoin is ukhona akekho nje abantu abasha abanye bayazi la mama members iBitcoin bakithi lami ngakaze ngijoine bengayazi Bitcoin but now I'm getting a lot of stories every day khuluma ngeBitcoin usho ukuthi ngiyazi buza ukuthi indaba le mshini ivele ikhona ngithi mina bengayinaki ngibengayazi every time ngone ku DSTV be discuss ngeBitcoin bethi in future iBitcoin le Lcoin izosebenza umhlabeni what is a Bitcoin iBitcoin bathi imali ongeke uyibambe ngephepha is digital money imali digital it's like cash for the internet ifana nama data bundles siyawazi ama data bundles angithi yabathenga every now and then but ukhona phakathi kwe crowd ongantshela ukuthi abomvu kumba iblue kumba igreen ama data ukhona omantshengisa ukuthi color data asiyazi angithi kodwa siwasebenzisa daily so this Japanese guy in 2009 waqala ama Bitcoins. What now? Let me put an example now. This guy, what imali? Yabani imali rand South Africa 2050 rand. And it is in two formats. Paper. La ngikoloda usis. 1,000. I can go to my bank, here draw 1,000 here cash. Angithi ngibuye ngimbale 1,000. Imbade. Or else ngithi give me your banking details. I'm going to do the transfer. That's where the digital comes in. Now there is no paper that is going to fly from my account to her. It's just digital. Ising bonisa nje record bank with big boy you are 10,000 less. The lady now is 10,000 more. Ingene digital. So this guy what digital vele uyasebenza le mvumo. Yes. Now sise nga transfer omunye 200 digital angithi. So it can be transferred. Wathi ke mina ngifuna ukwenza eyami imali abathi Bitcoin ezo transfer only digital along the line. And if you back unga Google kahle Europe all the multi-billionaires or Bill Gates nabo Richard Branson bathi imali zabo sebezitshintshile sesingama Bitcoins. Why Bitcoin does not lose value is always appreciating, the value is going up. When a manje Bitcoin any1 but it is 7,000 rand mawulifuna 1 Bitcoin uzobadala 7,000 rand to get 1 Bitcoin. Uyayibona ukuthi njani but now iqala ngo 2009 and the bathi kuno story ngisibone ku newspaper but there's this guy in America ubaba wakhe was giving him cash every time. Abelungu ngithi banikeza imali ngabantwana. This guy was buying ama Bitcoins esasengama cents 2 cents 3 cents. He was buying and buying and buying and buying. One day he was reading in the newspaper what told Bitcoin is worth so much. What, oh my God. He sold all his Bitcoins. But why is $1 million? He's a multi-million already student by the Bitcoins. So it tells you a story the Bitcoin is still going up and up. And the bank no mlungu wathi kimi ama Bitcoin kuthabazoyenza 21 million copies. Ngo 2040 they stopped making the Bitcoins. And the Bitcoin now, if you look 7,000 manje, la belivala beta basawayenzi, demand will be high. The Bitcoin is about 40,000, libe ku 80, libe ku 100,000 download. If one wathengile i3 wawabeka 6 years down the line at 100,000 each wathengise ku 3, uthola mali 300,000 minus whatever the 20,000 whatever the amount. So you can still make money with Bitcoin. Ngenye currency esisebenzisa lana if you want to dispatch your money ukuthi imali yakho ingene ku system siyakubuza la siku register imali yakho ufuna ingene ama Bitcoin or ufuna ingene ngani ngerandi le South Africa get here. So your language wethu esinawo la uloga in ufuna ukubona this is your own my page lana information ebiza wena igama lakho lesibongo le cell number le Skype yonke into la lokuthi uyirank bani kulama rank phela lapho sula la usebenza kunama rank ya Izafunda la selifundisa okwamanje ukuthi ngeke silifundise konke. Kama rank sizalibiza la sesilibona selikuseli labantu abaningi. Sithi phela siduze ne rank. Do you know that? Lafuna ukutshintsha anything hela uya SMSela kuphi uyakhuluma le admin ikutshintshe thina singakuregister thumela information iya ku admin angeke sayitshintsha ngithi angeke ngingene ntshintshi account yakho noma kungabe ku10 iadmin nawe qo ongabe usukhuluma ukuthi yimi ubani ngicela ukutshintsha lokho ngifake lokho thina singatshintsha la singakasenda ngithi now lana iaccount yomunye umuntu sicishile igama lapha sifuna ukuthi sibe sibeze amagama ngithi now ngizolibonisa. I want to show you the 3 colors, red, blue, green. What are the 3 colors? Siyakuregister ungena ngamarandi uthe uzohlala ngakhe ungakabizwa after 2 weeks angithi wena please log in every day and check. One day la ulog uthola there is a name and a surname. Please click kuma details ubone igama lalo umuntu nguye ozowemfakela imali wena. Usekhithwa isystem. Isystem la isebenza kanje abantu bakithi. Kulabantu abajoyinayo ngithi kulabantu abadrawer ngithi. So the system will pick up. Angithi sonke is under one software. The system will pick up. If laba baya register bonke, obviously they register with different amounts. Funa ungena ku 10,000, 5,000, 3,000. We have a list, we have a queue. You join the queue. Labantu abadrawer, the list is still moving to those who are drawing. When ungena, imali uyideposa kumuntu odrawing. Umuntu usisu draw 10,000 manje ku system. When you log in, you draw 10,000. Automatically, there is a name for the person who is on the queue or joining with 10,000 low draw. Naye uzothola message with 10,000 yakhe. Angithi ndili 2 weeks yakhe. Uzoyifaka kubani? Kuwe. So everybody will get the message. The one who's drawing and the one who's supposed to deposit. When anje log in every day. So when the queue is moving, then uyakwazi ukuthi hayi igama lami lifikile. And abantu bakithi bakunikeza 2 days. Angifuni ukuthi 3 days. Bakunikeza 2 days igama lakho laselivelile ukuthi go and deposit that amount ofuna ungena ngayo kulowa umuntu. Angithi drawile umuntu uyayifuna. Bakunikeza 2 days. Failure to deposit, ama hours will be subtracting like igama lakho livela. Lama hours engaphela ethi 0 sebekublock. Sebekubloka abasakufuni ku system sebebheka omunye le 10,000. Angithi baningi abafuna ujoina nge10. Bathatha omunye we10 still uzofakela abantu. Usisi. Angeke uyiswele wena imali. Oseyiswele ngulo onjani? Osephumile sebemblokile. And the last time you phone, you cannot register again. The moment you find it, cell phone, the email, the computer, what was Tambela Mangalo? But you let 10,000. As if you know, last Tambela Manga, what you let 10, sometimes so you move. Please tell us what you I'm going to tell you, Mati, I'm not going to get a keeper. I was saying, come to the keeper. So the last one gave me away. So we register. Last we register that 2 weeks. Will indeed, Imalia is a quaintly, and selling the liberty introduce or now you check. Imalia here be red color. Now look at in you check it here be good red color, meaning it's frozen. I have been down. It still hasn't moved. It's still frozen. Go and it. Why you can also look at it? Oh my God, you are frozen. Frozen in yourself. Aye. You should like moving down. It's a circle still in your hands. But like I must tell you, say pumile. So me look you can do badala. Please, Nancy Devalu. If you go and pay, come on. I'm going to take 2 days. Now yes, the person will receive the money. But the admin does not know that you pay until Wednesday to attach a proof. But when you sleep, let's say paying. If you make anything, hours are separating by a blogger or by day. The admin is not away. Get the account your money and keep on let's keep it up. Service is still born and to which is case police about Duguti. Nebella Galanja, get growing a corner in. Yabuoni Suguti, lay bonasi. Unconfirmed, you rate, and it has a lumun. Lava ready about the Limariseku, Lava Blue say attach now, the process Sanjani, say confirm. Now, who green won't Ola, now log in. This person may put about figure over 12,000, 7,000, I don't know. But he green yonke. He was who won a look at it. Now when about the Lantia blue, get Yago green, in Gera total. Zonke zingaba blue zongela green zongela ishuthi zongela lapha zonke zithini available for withdrawal. Ambala umuntu ukuthi available yakhe bithi 152,343 rand. ithi available isho ukuthi ungayithatha noma manje yonke la ufuna. Yebo. I'm not ship. I'm not. That's a movie. Don't think what is good for other people. Think what is good for me. I'm to love for a purpose. Which tell what one day sing a yarn from us. And it's going to happen. Definitely. Now Mamunya. We managers get more. I'm going to lama level wote. Alo uyasebenza ngeshem. Uyasebenza lo muntu uyasebenza. Beki available for withdrawal yakhe 938,270. Million phela le. Million phela le umuntu ongayidro. Yeah? Yayibona indaba. And think about this. Ndibonisa abantu abase South Africa lapha abangena kwena liveni. Hayi ukuthi bangena eLimpopo kumbe Cape Town beDurban. Yebo bakhona eDurban, but labantu bangena la. Buy draw imali. And if you think ukuthi iqale nini le project, angithi nje eSouth Africa iqale ngoFebruary last year. Yes. La ifika uFebruary nje nalophelile ibihlanganisa unyaka owodwa. And then omunye umuntu sedraw almost million ngani eminyakeni onjani? And remember it's not the first draw. Angithi la usadraw 40-50,000. It is accumulating on the Lanapo account. Yeah, if business yakula, when you start 40-50, the moment you start 40-50, yeah, it's still available, maybe 60 million foot. Walala wasala. Walala wasala. That's what I get. But draw imali. Bendiboni sanje. Now ufuna uku a daily account. Enye. Ujoyinile wena. First of all, please. I-account la ujoyina imele ibiza igama lakho. Angithi babalekela ifraud. The moment ufaka igama lomunye umuntu, lese ngiregistile mina big boy account yami khona. Sengithi hayithi ngifaka umzala wami. Sengifaka umzala olusisi wami. The moment sokunama changes amanye angasiwami, la draw 60 or 40 whatever amount, but somebody is drawing your money. Who is drawing and putting a different surname? Angithi ba protect. La uthi hayi yimi hayi through Scott mntaka anti mpela straight. Sebezaqala ukuthi okay. Stela ama proof athile hambi affidavit stela uphathe mhlambe wenza icopy yakho yeID, le copy yakhe wena uphume whatever the thing angithi sebezafuna ama verification amaningi but make it easy. Faki account ebiza bani ebiza wena. La ungafuna futhi ukuthi uyenze more wena. Khona abanye phela sebedraw imali ezinhle sefuna ukuthi hayi angisafuna ukubhala iletter, semfuna ukushoot ivideo yami ngi-upload mina ngoba ngidrawe ngathenga iSuzu cash, ngathenga le triple story ene lift. Uyakwazi ukwenzani? Sungafaka isithombe sakho, ushoot ukhuluma istory uba-uploadele. Bazakunika icash ngoba wena unjani? Ngoba wena usufaka ivideo. So drawing. Abanye abantu, yes, you can get these papers every time unikeza abanye, but abanye abasifundele please abasebenzisa ama website. Uyangena lana ku website. Umtshela uthi ngicela uklike ku calculator of happiness if you check if ufuna ukucheck ukuthi la ngifaka imali ngizoba malini. La yibona indawo lethi calculator of happiness. Ungayiklika lapha niyakunika space how much you wanna check. If la ufaka 10,000 it's digital. Ikubonisa ukuthi 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 12 months malini. Ifana naleli paper but yona is digital. Ikunikeza same time ukuthi ufuna ukuchecka malini. So la uloga in website, nansi website entsha abantu bakithi. Le njalo iyasebenza kodwa lisebenzisana entsha preferable. Hiyo le. La ifika laphi ku www.etc.co. Not com. Not com. CO phela. Yeah. Izongena, la ingena ke iyakubonisa page. Uya register, umbuyenzani, la uklika ku registration la iyakubonisa le page. Your name, your details. La usu-register, make sure you got everything in hand. Angithi igama lesibongo le-email. Ungaregister futhi nisazovula i-email next week. Register same time, the amount uqede. La usu-register, usu-logga in, same website, usu-logga la, uthi log in. Angiso-register, I want to check. Then ke ulog in izofunani email address, iqede ifuna i-password, then seyivulile. Usu-click iMavros, igama lethi iMavros izokubonisani imali zakho ukuthi zikhule kangakanani. So bantu bakithi we are nearing the end of the presentation. But in la do today what others want. So tomorrow you can do what others can't. Nice in that? Kazi uthini le? Angithi manje sikhona abasha sibaningi la. Asizukwenza ngokufana ngithi. Kukhona abazathi I'm still going to sleep overnight. Abafundile anti bathi bayakhuluma kuhle. I'm going to sleep overnight. Khona umunye othi but nothing to lose. Noma ngaqala ngo1000 yami noma ngadliwa ngeke ngizibulala 1000 inzami iproject engaka. Those are the people esibafunayo. Bayangena labo. So last sebeqala ukudrawa. Next 6 months, 8 months, laba abanye abangangenanga bengayenza into efana nabo. They won't be able to do what they're getting there because they did not do what they did in the beginning. So isho kanjani. Yayibona imali ukuthi le mali la, le mali phansi. Zama phansi. Wena ungafuna yini? Ufuna